What's up guys, welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel. So it's been a couple years since I've refreshed my chair for my gaming setup, so I decided to go all out this time and pick up the new Secretlab Titan Evo 2022 edition, as it is probably one of the highest end gaming style chairs that you can get on the market. And now I've been sitting in it for over a month now, so I feel like I can give you guys some real insight on what it'll be like if you decide to pick one up. Starting off with how much one of these will cost you. So the chair will cost somewhere between $469 and $529. This all depends on what material you choose and if you get a chair with any special edition design on it. My copy that I have right here was $489 because I chose the new soft weave plus fabric. I chose this because I've had leatherette style chairs before. They kind of seem to stick to my skin and cause me to sweat more, and I can happily say that this new soft weave material definitely breathes a lot more and it doesn't do any of those things. This new version of the Titan now comes in 3 different sizes: small, regular, and extra large. So it's good to see that they're actually providing options to people of all shapes and sizes now. I am personally 6 foot tall and weigh about 190 pounds, and I bought the regular size chair. So I feel like it fits my body size perfectly, and I do not regret not going for the XL size, as it looks like I could have fit into it based on their size chart, but I would rather have my chair fit me nice and snug than be, too big for me. Now let's get into the construction of the chair, starting with the seat. So the seat cushion is very soft and provides ample padding for your backside, and I haven't personally experienced any hot spot or any fatiguing going on with the bottom half of my body. The seat is also designed wider so you can sit in it cross-legged if you so choose, which is actually very, very cool. I do this from time to time and I feel like it's great to be able to get in whatever position is most comfortable for you at the time. One of my favorite parts of this new chair is the headrest area and the pillow. So this new pillow design is made of memory foam, and when I say it's comfortable, guys, I mean it. It absolutely cradles your neck, and it provides a really good cooling feel that for me personally is like what I prefer when I sleep with an actual pillow in bed. This pillow is also magnetic, so gone are the days of using a strap around the back of your chair. You just simply plop it on there and you're good. And now there's only a specific area that it magnetizes to, so keep that in mind if you want to put it somewhere else. Unfortunately, you can't use it for your lower back or something unless you just chuck it behind you and hold it in with your back. It's not going to be magnetized to that point. And on that note of your back, let's move on to lumbar support. So this chair features Secretlab's 4-way L-adapt support system. It moves up and down and in and out, tucking neatly into the curve of your lower back as you adjust it. You adjust the lumbar curve in and out on the right side of the chair and the position up and down on the left side. The knobs are kind of in an awkward spot to be able to reach when you're sitting in the chair. They're right back here, so you kind of got to bend your arm back, but I was able to make it work. And after you get it all adjusted, there's actually a lattice of hinges inside the chair that actually flex with your back, hopefully providing that extra comfort for you. This chair also has full metal 4D armrests. Now this means that they can adjust up and down with the side lever, as well as left and right, and forwards and backwards with the thumb button. The armrest covers are magnetic and they're made out of PU foam, which is actually very nice, and it is firm while at the same time provides some cushion for your arms if you like to rest them while working or gaming. And I'm actually going to stop it right here real quick because this is actually my only complaint about this chair, and it's the armrests. They kind of rattle a bunch when you move them side to side. I have no idea why this is. Maybe it's because of the magnetic design, but it just rattles back and forth when you do it like this, and I have no idea why. Finally, let's talk about the adjustment options of this chair. So starting with the main up and down adjustment lever, which is located on the right side of the chair. It's nice and smooth and doesn't make any weird noises when you're adjusting it like those cheaper chairs out there. Next is what I call the lock or rock adjustment on the left side of the chair. This allows you to lock it into place so when you lean back, you don't recline at all. And then the other option is to rock, where you can actually rock the chair back and forth or simply sit in a reclining position if you need to lean back a bit. Last is the main recline adjustment on the right side of your chair. This lever allows you to recline all the way up to 165 degrees, transforming your chair into basically a bed so you can take a nap in it if you want. No, Ricky, wake up. We have to finish the video. So here's my final thoughts on this chair. This is a super feature-packed chair that I feel is extremely comfortable, and it is definitely my new favorite gaming style chair that I've ever sat in. It takes the cake by far. Along with it being super comfortable, it has a very clean look to it, and it will definitely spruce up the look of your setup. Yes, as with most chairs, you're shipped a huge box and you have to assemble it yourself. But the attention to detail that Secret Labs has with its packaging, instructions, and included tools, they make it extremely easy to get this chair built. And I can say honestly, if I wasn't filming at the same time, I could have had that thing built in under 30 minutes, no problem at all. I think this chair is a clear example of you get what you pay for, in that yes, it costs about 500 bucks, but for something that you will be literally sitting in at your setup like hours and hours and hours a day, I feel like you'd want something super high quality that will not cause your body to get sore while you're trying to game or get some work done. Okay, so for those of you that want the question answered, is this chair worth it? I think absolutely yes. I'm gonna put my stamp of approval on it because I've been sitting in it, like I said, for over a month, and it's been nothing but amazing to me. I can see that this chair is very, very well constructed. It's gonna last me for a really long time, and it's gonna do nothing but make me feel comfortable at my setup and make me wanna just, get my work done, have longer gaming sessions, and have more fun. So again, if you guys are in the market for one, link will be in the description below. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I just really, really love this chair, so I wanted to bring this video to you guys because I think it's an amazing option for chairs out there right now. And some of you guys that are looking for like maybe cheaper budget options, maybe it's time to invest in a more expensive chair that'll last you longer in the long run, because I've reviewed those cheaper chairs on my channel before, and let me tell you guys, they don't last. The last one that I had, it did, but it's still miles behind this chair right here. So I'm gonna leave it at that, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys go ahead and give the video a like as always. And if you want to stay updated on all my content and when things come out and when I start streaming again, make sure you guys get subscribed with those notifications on. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.